Hello everyone. So in this video I'm here for a fix, which is your PC freezing completely while editing video and while exporting. So I got this PC built few days back, and I got this for video editing, and the problem I was facing was that while editing video it was crashing after every 30 minutes or so, or while exporting it would stuck completely and I had to restart every time to get it working again. So it was quite a headache for me, and I searched all over internet for this. After working very hard, I was able to fix this problem, so I would also like this to share with you. So the fix is very simple. If you are using Nvidia graphic card, this fix is for the guys who are using Nvidia graphic card. Let's go to fix. The fix is very simple. You have to open the Nvidia GeForce Experience app. If you don't have it, you can go on internet and it's very easy. You can install it. Just search Nvidia GeForce Experience and download that app from the Nvidia official site. So it's very simple. So let's go to fix again. After installing this Nvidia GeForce Experience, the next few steps are very simple. Open the Nvidia GeForce Experience. It will take some time, depends on your connection. Yeah, so after opening it, click on drivers. It will show the games you have installed, and right side to the home you will find drivers. Click on that. Now by default it will show you GeForce Game Ready driver. Now these drivers are specially optimized for gaming. These are not recommended for video editing or creative stuff like that. So if you are a content creator, you have nothing to do with these drivers. So what I would recommend you is install Nvidia GeForce Studio drivers, which are specially developed for content creators. How to install this? Now this is the next question. It's very simple. Click on this arrow around the download option. Now I will show you how to install the Nvidia Studio driver, which is very simple. It depends on your connection, but going to this option and getting to know how to install these drivers is very simple. So click on these three arrows. And from here select Studio driver. By default it's selected Game Ready driver. What you want to do is select Studio driver, and here just download and install these drivers, and it will fix your Adobe Premiere Pro crashing while editing or exporting, and also Adobe After Effects or any other creative program which is causing trouble. So that's it. I hope it will fix this problem for you. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to come back and leave a sub. Thank you.